In today's video, I'll show you how to use presentation mode in Gamma AI. First, go to the official Gamma AI website. Once you're on the home page, click on the project you want to present and wait for it to load. When you're on the editing page, click Present. All the editing buttons will be removed, and you can start moving through the pages. If you want more presentation settings, click Exit, then click the arrow down button beside Present. From there, you can choose different modes for how you want to present. You can use in this tab by clicking it. The presentation will run only in the current tab. You can also use full screen. This will automatically present your slides on your entire screen without browser tabs. You can also use Presenter View. In this mode, you can see your notes while presenting. While in presentation mode, you can use Spotlight mode to highlight content clearly. Click Spotlight or press S on your keyboard. You can also single-click on any content block to spotlight it. In Spotlight mode, the current content is highlighted, previously viewed content is dimmed, and future content is faded. Making quick edits while presenting is also possible. Right-click on a card while presenting. Click Edit this card. Make your changes, click Done, and resume presenting. And that's it. That's how you use presentation mode in Gamma AI.